This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating the Figma file structure and exporting the right assets. First, inspect component names and variants so code maps cleanly to UI elements. Once done, select frames and set export formats like SVG for icons and PNG for bitmaps. Make sure layout grids and color tokens are visible so spacing and colors translate to CSS variables. These steps reduce guesswork later and prepare clean assets for handoff or automated code extraction. You now extract the middle layer code by using Figma's Inspect panel and targeted plugins. First, review generated CSS snippets and platform variants. This shows exact sizes, fonts, and paddings to copy. Then run a plugin like Figma to Code or Anima to scaffold components. Make sure to convert design tokens into variables and replace hard-coded values. Once done, map Figma components to your React or Vue structure, so props and states reflect variants and responsive rules. You finish by integrating exported code into your project and validating behavior. Import assets and wire component files into your repo, then replace inline values with tokens and run a local build to confirm styles compile. Next, test responsiveness and accessibility attributes. Use DevTools to simulate breakpoints and check computed styles. If things go wrong, compare pixel differences and inspect computed CSS. Often a mismatched token or missing font weight causes the issue, so fix the source token or font import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.